Okay, we finally finished this mural in this extra bathroom, and these photos that sometimes people send us photos, other times if you want to go on the internet, there's tens of thousands of photos that are for sale, very reasonable. But anyway, any ceramic installer can put in what we have, because everything is numbered and there's a little plan. They don't have to think about it like a big puzzle. And of course then you have the option, whatever color grout you want to use. You want to use white, you want to use gray. And so anyway, it looks nice, and you don't have to worry about it fading. and won't fade. I mean, we'll guarantee it doesn't fade for the next 50 years. How's that? And it won't scratch off. And I did have a knife here somewhere. I was going to just show you that here we go. Yeah, see? Here's the knife. This process is technology behind this whole thing. You can scratch it as much as you want. It will not ever come off, and it won't fade. You can have as much light on as you want, and it'll never fade. So you can see it's on picturedtile.com. And you can, our company is Paris Group Inc. And yeah, check us out. Bye.